Hi guys, so today I filmed a chit chat get ready with me kinda. It's very relaxed. You'll see me shift from lighting to just my regular room lighting, and we just gonna be okay with it, okay? But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I get this everyday look and what outfit I decided to wear out tonight and what fragrance I decided to wear, just keep on watching. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any video suggestions, just leave them down below. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right now, we're about to do my makeup. I have on my robe just because I only do my makeup, but I'm in a rush, so I really have to go fast. The primer that I use is the Milk HydroGrip primer. And if you guys see me look into the sides, because that's where my mirror is. So I don't put like a lot. I just do. Yeah, when I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna fresh up this bun foundation. The foundation that I use is the L'Oreal True Match in N65 golden beige. So I just put some on my hand, of course. I don't do a lot like that, just that amount. So just about to pat this on. Lately I've been into really like not putting as much product, if not any, on my forehead, because of course you guys know, like, today it's all about the soft glam. And then I save hella time on my makeup because I really don't do my brows, you know. So the shirt that I'm wearing is golden, so I guess a piece got on my forehead. But yes, I've gotten into just not really doing my brows. I don't know, I think I just kind of like the way that it looks, you know, blend. Today I'm not gonna do like really any eyeshadow. I don't think I'm gonna put on any, because like I said, I am in a rush. So of course we're about to do, what is it called, our highlight concealer. So oh shit, I really don't have time to go dampen it. I don't really have time to go dampen it, so I'm just gonna spray some of this Evian you know, water. So I'm just gonna spray some of that because I don't really have time to go dampen it. And this is a brand new sponge, so period. Ooh, it's the quality for me, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god, sheesh. Like I said, I haven't been putting much on my forehead. I think it's because my face is very much two-toned. So we don't want it to be doing too much, you know, because then, like, since my skin is like, my face is two-toned, usually how it goes, if I put like a whole bunch of concealer on my forehead, even if I put foundation, it'll look ghostly. So let us set this, y'all, with powder. I be having to like tip it upside down when it's new, because this is the Laura, you can't even see it, but yeah, it's the Laura Mercier, the translucent honey. I'm gonna leave in the description box every product. So because like I said, I am in a rush, so I know I might not be you know, getting through everything. So right now we're about to try out this KKW highlighter and contour, but I'm not doing the highlighter. Not today, love. Let me see which color I would like to do. I think I'm gonna do this one. y'all. I'm not the person to really look at for contours, so this is not no type of tutorial. Y'all, I got some new brushes or whatever, but honestly, like I said, I don't really have time to use all of them. Oh, sheesh. Oh, see, yeah, I knew I was forgetting something. My little forehead. Oh, y'all, like I done already smudged it, but whatever. Lightly. I'm doing it on the jaw lightly. Lightly, honey. Oh yes, y'all, like this looks so good. Carve out that jawline a bit. This baking powder, y'all, and kind of like carve out where I just did that contour. It's not perfect. So I'm taking this brush and we just about to wipe everything away using this brush. Just go, because I don't want my lines to be too harsh. I'm gonna use some of this powder or whatever. I'm gonna use the same thing. Yeah, and just pin it where we highlighted. Then like that. And I do have on lash extensions, even though they need a fill. I'm just about to do my bottom lashes. And y'all, this is the best mascara. I don't care what nobody say. This is Climax by NARS. Ooh, like y'all see that difference just that quick? Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, that just almost scared me. Nah, but for real though, because that's crazy. So I just, I'm gonna do the little bushy look. Literally that is it. So to set, I'm gonna try this Max Fix Plus Pro or whatever. Y'all, this is a good everyday face, period. For my lips, we about to just go in with Chestnut MAC, you know. I'm here to let girls know that you ain't gotta be perfect at this, okay? And then this is also MAC see-through 304, and like I said, it'll all be listed down below. Okay y'all, so this is my face, period. I'm very satisfied with this casual look, and like I said, only thing that made it pop really was the lashes, honey, and just the bottom lashes. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and when I'm showing you guys my outfit, I'm gonna show you like touching up my baby hairs and all that type of stuff. But right now I'm just putting on my jewelry. So I'm definitely putting on my Louis Vuitton bracelet. It's this one. So of course, I think I'm putting on this little bracelet too. Yeah, so I'm just put that on too. And then putting on my what stone is this? I always forget. It's the rose quartz. So yes, tonight's fragrance though, this is fresh out the pack, baby. This is the Givenchy Irresistible. Mine is engraved because my dad got it for me. So yeah, so that's my name on it. So I do like my neck and then outfit and then like wrist. I try not to do too much, and then we put on some earrings, not to just studs, of course. I don't really like how hoops look on me. Okay.
The west side too, yeah, it's mine. What you know about your poster on the wall at the dealership. Leave her in the bed, legs trembling.
This is the look that I have right now. So literally, this is my hair, this shirt, thrifted from ThriftCon, and then these pants. Honestly, I don't know. They're just some pants I had laying around, honestly. And then these heels, these clear heels, are from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, so this is my look. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching.